Let's make tiger prawn pasta with Thai basil. The objective of this dish is to get the full flavor of the tiger prawns into the linguine. Use a pair of kitchen scissors to easily cut off the legs and the whiskers of the prawns. Go ahead and cut off the eyes as well. Take off the head with a knife and deshell with your fingers. Carefully make a small incision in the back and surgically remove the intestines. Sometimes the intestines are seemingly clean, but you might as well just go ahead and remove the whole thing just to make sure that it's clean enough. In terms of portion size, I would suggest 3 or 4 tiger prawns per person. Thinly slice some garlic. The thinner the slices, the more flavorful the pasta. Put a pan on low heat and heat some olive oil. Gently cook the garlic to release all that flavor. Then start cooking the prawn heads ever so gently so the flavor also releases into the oil. When the prawn heads turn orange, then you can add some tomato paste. The flavor profile that you get from frying the tomato paste is very different than if you add tomato paste to a liquid. The flavor of tomatoes will be fuller, more powerful, but the astringency or the acidity in the tomatoes will be softened and less punchy. Go ahead and fry the tiger prawns for about 15 seconds on each side and then remove them and put them on a separate plate before they turn into rubber. Then add about 400 to 500 milliliters of water to the pan and bring it to a simmer. You don't want to add too much water to the pan because you'll risk diluting the flavor. Then I'm going to add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of concentrated chicken broth. It's best to use a product that is free of MSG, free of hormones, and free of preservatives. Cook the linguine in the broth. Let it soak in all that flavor as it cooks. The more it cooks, the more it absorbs the liquid, and you can add a little bit more water bit by bit into the pan. The starch on the linguine will thicken up that broth and turn it into a sauce. Add some fresh cherry tomatoes and allow that to cook for about a minute. Then pop the cooked prawns back in and add some Thai basil. If you don't have any Thai basil, don't worry, just normal basil is fine. Crack some black pepper on top, and that's it. In a matter of 15 minutes, you have this wonderful pasta dish. Thank you so much for tuning in to Chinglish Cooking Club. If you like this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any Asian inspired or Chinese dishes that you want me to cook, please send a request to us in the comment section below. Now go eat some tiger prawn pasta with Thai basil.